Hello friends, welcome to my channel English Unit 3.1 Silver Poem. Today we will discuss about the question answers in English workshop, margin questions and appreciation of poem. Let's start. If you were asked to draw a detailed picture of the scene described in the poem, what objects, animals, natural features, etc. will you show in the picture? Make a list. Answer: I would show the following in my picture: moon, trees, fruits, the night sky, a house with a thatched roof, a dog in a kennel, doves in their dovecotes, a mouse, a stream, fish, and reeds. Write the rhyming words and rhyme scheme of the poem. Rhyming words are moon, shoon, seas, trees, catch, thatch, log, dog, peep, sleep, buy, eye, gleam, stream. Let us find out the rhyme scheme. Let's read the poem. First stanza. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in a silver shoon. Moon, shoon are rhyming words, so we will name them as A. Next stanza. This way and that she peers and sees a silver fruit upon silver trees. Sees, trees. They are rhyming, so we will name them as B. Next stanza. One by one the casements catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. Catch, thatch, they are rhyming, so we will name them as C. The same manner you find out the rhyme scheme of the other stanzas. Here the rhyme scheme is A, B, B, C, C and so on in rhyming couplets. Underline the word silver or silvery in the poem. In what line does it occur? What pattern does it show? The word silver or silvery occurs in the second line of every couplet. It shows a pattern of repetition for pleasing effect. A couplet is a pair of successive lines of verse which are usually of the same length and rhyme. Can you think of a parallel scene of dawn or evening when everything is steeped in golden light? Yes, I can think of a seaside scene with a setting sun throwing golden light over everything. The same landscape appears different at different times. What message can we draw from this? The landscape changes according to the light from the sky. In this poem, the poet makes us look at ordinary moonlight in a different way. The message we can draw from this is how, in different situations, we might perceive the same scene completely different. Which of the objects, animals, etc. mentioned in the poem are at rest without any motion? The objects that are at rest without any motion are trees, casements, thatch, kennel, coat, water. The animals that are at rest without any motion, they are dog, doves, fish. Last question. Read the Listeners and Someone poems by Walter de la Mare. Well, I am showing you only one poem, The Listeners. You can read the poem. Appreciation of poem. The poem Silver is written by Walter de la Mare. The rhyme scheme is A, B, B, and so on. The poem is in rhyming couplets, that is, two lines rhyming with each other. Personification is a figure of speech used by the poet. This way and that she peers and sees. The moon is given the human quality of peering, this way and that. The other figures of speech are alliteration and repetition. In this poem, the poet describes the magical effects of the silvery moonlight on the countryside at night. Everything turns silver. The poem also shows a beautiful and peaceful scene of the countryside at night under the moonlight and gives a clear word picture of the different animals and objects reflecting the moonlight. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.